Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Frank the Man, barber and cosmetologist. I'm cutting out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and today is Halloween, so it just makes it a really nice video. Gonna get a lot of spooky stuff out there tonight, and if you are a barber and you are not where you want to be, make sure you watch this video entirely because I'm gonna show you some spooky things that you've been doing that you probably should avoid or you weren't even aware of. So let's get started, you guys. Tip number one is gonna be not having a schedule, right? So many barbers, bro, when they first start off, for some reason, they don't have a schedule. I don't understand what that is. They come in whenever they want, midday. They only work at night. Sometimes they work in the morning. So if you don't have a schedule, please make one and stick to it, you know? And that brings me to my next step, is creating a schedule, understanding that you have a problem, right? And not following up on that schedule. So take this, for example. You make a schedule, 9 to 5, 8 to 4, whatever it is that you want to do. And you just stick to it. Right? Now you, and more importantly, your customers are gonna know that, hey, you know, I can't book with him after 4 because he doesn't cut after 4, right? I gotta get him last call around 3:15, 3 o'clock, whatever it may be. So make sure that you create a schedule and you stick to it, all right? Tip number 3 is not bringing enough change to the shop. Meaning you go to the shop every day where you're gonna cut hair and accept money, whether you swipe the card or whether you actually only do cash only, right? So if you're one of those barbers with only cash only, dope. But have fucking change on you, yo. Have some motherfucking change on you. How's you showing up to work with no change? That's like going to the gas station and then you give them a 20 for a $13 item. They're like, I ain't got it, bro. And they just punk you for your $7. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that we do that, but it's very inconvenient. Imagine if they tell you, hey, go across the street, go get change. Or worse, you go on to your next business, meaning your barber brother next to you, and you ask him and you take his change. Now he's asked out for the rest of the day as well, just like you. So make sure you bring change every day, you guys. I bring $200 a day. I bring 5 20s, 60 $5 bills, 110, and then the rest in $1 bills. So that's $100 in small bills and then $5 in 20s. So that's a total of $200. Make sure you bring change to your shop, yo. That's weird. Stop doing that. Number 5, this is my personal favorite. In today's economy, in today's world, there is an abundant amount of things that you can do to make money, right? So many. As a barber, I got this personal rule, right? If you are not making at least $2,000 a week, you have no business trying to start another business. You have no business trying to become a real estate agent, trying to be a day trader, trying to start up a car detailer, business, trying to do anything, trying to start a brand, right? Whatever it is, right? As long as you have an actual business, which is, cutting hair, because that is a business, and you are making what you want to make, which is at least a minimum of $2,000. Because listen, bro, $2,000 a week is not a lot of money. That's $100,000 a year. You may think I'm crazy, right? But that's all right. You know what I mean? That's a good business. So if you haven't been doing that, my boy, please make at least 2K, and then now you can finally go ahead and start whatever business, because you haven't even mastered this business. So what business do you have trying to start another business? You understand me? Make at least 2K a week, bro. You have more than enough to feed your family, take care of your needs and your wants, and even use that income to fuel the second business. So master your business is what I'm trying to tell you. Another tip that I can give you guys is having too many prices on your price list. What I mean by that is you're offering scalp treatment, you're offering coloring, you're offering doing eyebrows, shaves, designs. You're doing a cleanup in between haircuts, right? You're hurting, you think you're helping, but you are hurting your business. So what I recommend for you is just have 2 prices, a haircut and a haircut and beard. Because if you're not charging what you should be charging for that shave or for that color, and you're just adding it onto your prior service, you're losing money. And here's why, because imagine in an 8-hour day, you can bang out about 10 people, right? Pause. You can cut about, 10 people a day, right? Then that's what it is. If you're charging 50 like myself, then you're making a $500 a day. Imagine if I added color to that. Not only would I interrupt my flow, but now my average order value that I'd be charging, right, which is 50, 50, 50, and then I don't know where you see, $20 for a haircut, beard, and then a color. You're just hurting yourself and you're messing up your flow, and really just cut hair, y'all. Stop making it complicated. Just have 2 prices, all right? Another tip, stop having nasty capes. Stop draping your client with a nasty, old, dirty client that one of the kids drooled on it. Make sure you change that out, y'all. Make sure you have at least 5 to 6, 7 capes in your drawer ready to go that are fresh and clean for every single client every single day, right? Rather, every single 10 clients every single day. A clean cape a day, that's not gonna hurt anybody. So make sure you have that. Number 8 is not ordering your products in bulk, bro. I cannot stress this enough. How many of us are just day-to-day barbers? Oh, I do need cool care. Oh, I do need talc powder. Oh, I do need razor blades. Like, bro, I don't know about you, but some barbers like myself, we're probably gonna be cutting in this time next year. So Why not do a whole year supply of razor blades, right? Why not do a whole year supply of Cool Care? Oh, I get it. So cash flow might be a tight. Okay, then do 3 months, do 6 months, at least do a month. So many barbers are just living day to day. You know what I mean? So do it at the minimum of at least 3 months. And of course, get your razor blades from us, Filoso Barber brand. We do a 3-month supply, 6-month, year supply. The more you buy in bulk, the less you spend, you know? So yeah, man, get your shit together. Operate your business like an actual business. Stock up on your inventory and stop doing that. That's not legit business. That's not Filoso. You understand me? And final last tip, you guys, is stop leaving the shop and forgetting the suite. I am guilty of this, right? My boys got on me on that. Make sure that you go ahead and before you leave the shop, you always sweep not just your station, but the whole shop. You're gonna appreciate it, your coworkers are gonna appreciate it, and more importantly, the clients are gonna appreciate it because they're coming in and walking into a nice, clean environment. So make sure that you go ahead and get to it, you know, not just your station, but do a little round sweep, you know? So once again, my name is Frank the Man. I am a barber, cosmetologist. I am one of the co-founders of Filoso Barber brand. So there you guys have it. This concludes our video. These are 9 things to avoid as a barber. Again, you know, I'm going on 10 years and these are some of the things that I've noticed in the industry that I've done myself personally that I make sure that I don't do anymore, right? It's just about being a better barber, y'all. Being sharper, more consistent, more concise, more clear, and less things to worry about. Like, who wants to worry about product when you're struggling to get clientele? Like, the last thing you should worry about is if you're struggling in this area is be also struggling in this area. So at the minimum, talc powder, Cool Care, razor blades, aftershave, have all that already stocked up in a closet or behind your sink, you know, underneath your sink. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys for watching. This is a series that I'm going to be doing, things to avoid as a barber. And of course, if you like this video, make sure and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And what was the one thing that surprised you in today's video? And any video recommendations, you guys? Again, we're going to be doing series on things to avoid as a barber and also another series on barber tips and things to make sure you do as a barber. Appreciate y'all. Make sure to get your stuff from us at the link in the description below. Appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.